to another video. If you're new, welcome to my channel, and today I'm gonna be shopping for a snowing day. As y'all can see on the title, me and my family is gonna be snowed in. So right now I'm shopping and everyone else is at home asleep, so I'm the only one in the store right now other than them. But I'm gonna get some supplies and some snacks because we do have a lot of food. We just need snacks, so I'm gonna do that right now. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay, the first thing I'm gonna get is these space noodles because I know the girls love them. 2 of these, and I'm gonna get some water. I'm also gonna get some of these juices that the girls never tried before. They already have the orange ones, and I'm gonna get one of these juices, the colorful ones. I never tried them. I'm also gonna get some more bread just in case. Oh, they have some pastries now. Yes, they're really so good. I got a box yesterday and they're delicious. Okay, I'm definitely gonna get donuts. I wanna try them. I'm also gonna get some orange juice and some oat milk. Okay, I don't really need anything else down here, so I'm gonna go upstairs. Okay, next thing I'm gonna get is some paper towels, some toilet paper, and maybe, no, I'm good on toothpaste and everything else. I'll just get those 2 things, and then I'm gonna get cereal. I'm gonna get some of these and some potato chips. I'm gonna get a few of these snacks off the shelf, some Hot Pop, and maybe some chips. These cookies, I think. Okay, I just need one more thing, and that's a flashlight in case the lights go out in the house. So get this. And that's it. Now I'm gonna go check out. Okay, I'm at self checkout, not shelf. I'm at self checkout, and scan all my items here. Okay, I'm back home and I have all the groceries in the bag right now, but I'm gonna take them out and put them away. Lily is gonna help me. He's up right now. Hi everyone, good morning. Having his morning coffee, of course. So I'm gonna get the groceries out of this bag and put it in the refrigerator. I don't want to get up right now. Oh, so sleepy. So much work to do. Gonna brush my teeth and wash my face. She's still asleep. Lucis, wake up. I don't want to wake up. You have to get up. Okay. Morning. Good morning. And I'm gonna change. Girls up, so I'm gonna go check on them. Hi Mackenzie, good morning. Morning, Mom. I want to see where your sister's up. This time. Yep, up in early. I see you have a lot of schoolwork. I'm gonna make breakfast while you do that. Okay, Mom. I am making breakfast right now. Malik is helping me. I just made mashed potatoes and bacon and waffles and bacon for the girls. And Malik is about to make bagels. And while he does that, I'm gonna check the weather forecast. So I think it is snowing out. Oh my gosh, it's literally a whole snowstorm outside right now. Okay. Well, I checked that. We definitely can go out the house. We can drive anywhere for a few days. It said it would be like that till tomorrow and probably after that day. Come eat. Breakfast is done. Breakfast. Oh, this is done. Finally, I'm so hungry. Okay everyone, that would be the end of this video. Again, we're ending at the table while eating, but that is all for this video. Thank you for watching if you did, and Happy New Year.